Well, I'm back to where it all started. About 18 months ago I made my first video here and it needs some help again. So here we are, ready to tackle this. Beautiful day. It's about 30 degrees outside. We can get it done. All right, let's get started. As you can see, a bunch of trash right around here. Up there, people feel it's necessary to chuck trash over the guardrail and will never be seen again. Well, guess what? We found it. Found a ton of cans. Look at all this stuff over here. All this. All from that bank. You know, there's construction stuff, cones, all kinds of stuff around here. Jugs. So many cans. Like I said, people might be a game to throw them from the rear and see how far they can roll down this hill. And as I go, it gets worse as I go. Look at all this beer cans and whatnot. Big old trash cone down there on the other side. I don't know if I'll be able to get back there. We'll try to climb this little steep hill here. Try to get that cleaned up too. You know, make Mother Nature feel like she's got a chance. Here we go. Again, you never know what you're gonna find out here. Just go on and somebody thought it was a good idea to throw these old tape decks away, or old VCR, and here they lay right in this field. Start walking over here, thinking, dang, saw a flag. Look like somebody working with the city just is done with everything and got these flags and stuck a whole batch of them right there. Alright, well guys, it's been about a week and a half or so since I last picked up trash, and this is the final parts of the video. Meant to get this thing out a lot sooner, but you know, I lost my scale to weigh the trash, and that'll kind of be the theme of why it took me a little longer. So yeah, you know, I found it in the baby stroller outside where it probably should belong, and then we had to potty train for 3 days for my little man. So yeah, but here I am, we got it done. And the trash that I collected in this video that you'll see is roughly about 78 pounds. And I just want to give a shout out to my buddy Adam. He is kind of had an idea I posted on Facebook of, you know, what to do, whatnot. He said to make a chart of all the trash I collected, and I have a goal of over 2,000 pounds to collect this year of trash. I think we'll hit it pretty easily, so, but we'll see. But so stay tuned, and you know, just let me know what you think. Give me some feedback. Looking to keep this rolling. Make 2021 a great year. Thank you. Take care. Be well. Talk to you soon.